Yes, please.
All right. Do you want to do a flight or you want to pick one?
Oh, let's do the chocolate brownie. Let's not mess around.
All right.
We should have given Kim the microphone, but it's fine.
You're doing a great job.
I'm doing a great, Brian. So I was supposed to be announcing, this is Jim McMahon, the Jim McMahon from PVL, the largest contract manufacturer in Canada.
One of them, yeah.
One of them. And what brands do you have, Jim?
We got a good Canadian brand, PVL, Pure Vita Labs, and most people know us as Mutant.
Mutant! Leave humanity behind, correct?
Frickin' right, and we've done even that and then some.
You have done some. I was actually a huge fan of PVL back in the day. I was explaining to Jim earlier with Hydroflow.
Down there in Australia.
Down there and down under, mate, back in the day.
I wasn't going to say down under. I know to be respectful. So,
so you are the man with the lines.
Cheers.
So this is the NiHPRO Protein Challenge.
Well, that's got a nice little taste to it. Cool.
And we don't do formulations or recipes. I'm sure you guys could even knock it out of the park further. We sell the branded ingredient, just the raw material, but it's also hydrolyzed, like Hydroflow. So maybe there could be a hydro-free, allergen-free, lactose-free version coming soon.
Digest too. Let's try the
100%.
chocolate caramel.
All right. See, you can't stop at just one.
Oh, here we'll reuse the cup. You got to be responsible. You can't use 3 different cups for 3 different flavors. That's just wrong.
Absolutely.
Stop doing that, everybody.
John's running the show. I mean,
okay,
Jim.
Hold on. I got to tell you, the dark chocolate caramel, that's a winner.
Winner, chicken dinner.
Oh, a vegan chicken, yeah.
But we're not a vegan brand.
No.
We're not a vegan brand nor a dairy brand, but we happen to be both dairy and vegan friendly.
Awesome. Oh, these are awesome. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, mate. Appreciate it.
Okay, enjoy the rest of your day.
Thank you, Jim. Bro.